Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mark an item as shipped on the Depop app. Let's get started. First, open the Depop app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. On your profile page, tap the sold tab at the top. This will show you all the items you have sold. Find the item you just sold and need to ship. Tap on that order to open the order details. Once you have shipped the item, tap the button that says mark as shipped. Depop will ask you to enter tracking details. If you ship the item using your own shipping method, you can type in the tracking number and select the carrier. If you use a Depop shipping label, the tracking info is usually added automatically and the item may already be marked as shipped for you. After you add the tracking number, tap confirm or save, and that's it. We have successfully marked your item as shipped. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.